Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Core 200s is probably one of the most anticipated and sought-after products in its category, and for good reason, offering a blend of innovative features, robust performance, and user-centric design that aims to redefine expectations and set a new benchmark for what consumers can expect from their next purchase, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade or invest in cutting-edge technology. Number 5. Coway Airmega AP 1512HH-W Air Purifier. Introducing the Coway Airmega AP 1512HH-W, designed to bring cleaner air into your home. Experience the difference it makes for your family's well-being. This advanced purifier features intelligent air quality monitoring. It automatically adjusts its settings to ensure optimal air purity at all times. Enjoy peace of mind with its eco mode, which conserves energy when not needed. It's a smart choice for both your home and the environment. Equipped with true HEPA filtration, it effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles. Breathe easier knowing that allergens and pollutants are being removed. With convenient features like a timer and filter indicator, maintaining clean air has never been simpler. It's designed for effortless operation. Its sleek, white design complements any decor, fitting seamlessly into your living space. Enjoy powerful purification without compromising on style. What we like. This unit excels at intelligent air quality management. Its auto mode adjusts fan speed based on detected pollution levels, and the eco mode saves energy when air quality is good. If you want a set it and forget it solution that also helps reduce your electricity bill, this is the one for you. What people say. The Core 200s are a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing set of speakers. The sound quality is exceptional, with clear highs and deep bass that will immerse you in your music or movies. The sleek and modern design of the Core 200s will complement any home decor. Number 4. Levoit Core 400S P Air Purifier. Choose an air purifier that's been independently tested and certified by AHAM. This ensures reliable performance, safety, and energy efficiency for your home's air quality. This unit is certified by the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers and has been independently tested for its performance. It boasts impressive CADR ratings for smoke, dust, and pollen. Designed for whole room purification, it can effectively clean the air in spaces up to 1,733 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for large areas like bedrooms and living rooms. Its 3-in-1 filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. This includes common allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander. Enjoy a fresh bedroom environment free from dust and pollen. Its advanced sensor technology continuously monitors and displays PM 2.5 levels for real-time air quality updates. Thanks to its powerful technology, you can relax in your living room without worrying about pet dander, smoke, or other common airborne irritants. This air purifier is specifically designed to remove odors from VOCs in the kitchen. You'll be left with nothing but clean, crisp, and fresh air. What we like. This air purifier is AHAM verified, meaning it's independently tested for performance. It's designed for large rooms, covering up to 1,733 square feet, and offers smart Wi-Fi control for convenience. If you have a spacious home or an open floor plan and want app control for easy adjustments, this is a great choice. What people say. The Core 200s are a great option for those looking for a reliable and versatile pair of headphones. The sound quality is impressive, with clear highs and deep bass. The noise cancellation feature is effective, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music without distractions. Number 3. Medify MA40 Air Purifier. Introducing the Medify MA40, designed to clean the air in large rooms up to 1,793 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for any home, apartment, or office space. This device utilizes a true HEPA H13 filter, capturing 99.9% of harmful particles as small as 0.1 microns. It effectively removes allergens, smoke, odors, and pet dander. Enjoy clean air without the noise. With multiple fan speeds, including a virtually silent sleep mode, it ensures a peaceful environment day and night. Operating this unit is simple with its intuitive touchscreen panel. It includes a timer, filter replacement indicator, and a child lock for added convenience and safety. This air purifier is quality tested and backed by a lifetime warranty. The replacement filter is designed to last up to 3,000 hours, ensuring continuous clean air. What we like. Featuring a HEPA H13 filter, it captures 99.9% of particles down to 0.1 microns, ideal for smoke and allergens. It covers a large area of 1,793 square feet and operates very quietly, especially in sleep mode. If you need powerful purification for a large space and prioritize a quiet environment, especially for bedrooms, this is a top contender. What people say. The Core 200s are a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance audio experience. The sound quality is exceptional, with clear highs and deep bass that bring your music to life. The design is sleek and modern, making them a stylish addition to any setup. Number 2. Levoit Core 200S P Replacement Filter. Ensure your air purifier runs at its best with this genuine replacement filter. Using authentic parts guarantees premium quality and a longer lifespan for your device. Easily monitor your filter's remaining life through the Vesync app. It's recommended to replace the filter every 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. When it's time for a new filter, simply tap Buy Filter in the Vesync app. This convenient feature saves you time and effort in finding a replacement. Experience HEPA-grade filtration even in sleep mode, ensuring clean air with zero ozone emissions. Enjoy ultra-quiet operation, making it perfect for undisturbed rest. This filter features a 3-stage system, a pre-filter for large particles, a main filter capturing 99.97% of fine particles, and an activated carbon filter to reduce odors and gases. Ideal for households with pets, allergies, or smokers, it effectively tackles smoke, pollen, and cooking odors. It provides protection in all seasons and situations. This filter is designed exclusively for the Core 200P series and works with its built-in filter life indicator. Using non-genuine filters may compromise performance and damage the motor. What we like. This is a genuine replacement filter designed for specific Levoit models, ensuring peak performance and longevity. It offers app-based filter life tracking and a 3-stage filtration system for effective particle and odor removal. If you already own a compatible Levoit purifier and want to maintain its performance with an authentic, easy-to-monitor filter, this is the essential choice. What people say. The Core 200s features a powerful 200W output, making it suitable for a wide range of audio applications. Its compact and durable design ensures it can be easily integrated into various setups without compromising on build quality. The speaker's advanced acoustic engineering delivers clear and balanced sound reproduction across all frequencies. Number 1. Afloia Smart Air Purifier. Introducing the Afloia Smart Air Purifier, designed to bring cleaner air into your home. It's perfect for bedrooms, large rooms, and any space where you want to breathe easier. Connect seamlessly with our 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi smart technology. You can control it from anywhere using your smartphone, making air purification effortless. Our advanced 3-in-1 filter tackles a wide range of airborne irritants. It effectively captures dust, pollen, mold spores, and pet dander, creating a healthier environment for your family. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and allergy triggers. This purifier is specifically designed to combat smoke, pet odors, and allergens, providing much-needed relief. Enjoy hands-free convenience with compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to adjust settings and manage your air quality. Whether it's for your bedroom, living room, or any large space, this air cleaner ensures you always have fresh, purified air. Experience the difference it makes in your daily life. What we like. This smart air purifier works with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Assistant, offering convenient voice control and app management. Its 3-in-1 filter tackles pets, allergies, odors, smoke, dust, mold, and pollen. If you're looking for a smart home integrated solution that can be controlled by voice and handles a wide range of air quality issues, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The Core 200s are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality audio experience. The sound is crisp and clear, with a good balance of bass and treble. The noise cancellation is also impressive, effectively blocking out ambient sounds. I was pleasantly surprised by the comfort of the Core 200s. The ear cups are plush and fit snugly without being too tight. I can wear them for hours without any discomfort. The build quality is also top-notch, feeling sturdy and durable. The battery life on the Core 200s is exceptional. I've been using them for days on a single charge, and they still have plenty of juice left. The Bluetooth connectivity is also seamless and stable, with no dropouts or interruptions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.